Couldn't believe I caught this. Well, I could believe it because I have an engineer friend that tipped me off. And so then I just had to find it. Ground shot for you. That river it was crossing, that's the Long Prairie River. And now it's going to diverge from Main 2 to Main 1. And it's single track for quite a ways there. 20 some miles. Then there's a double track section with 4 little falls, and it goes back to single track to cross the Mississippi. But anyhow, I'm going to fly on down here to Philbrook. The town formerly known as Philbrook. But it still has a city sign for the railroad. And this white house you'll see on the left, that used to be a general store. I think it was a post office as well. Kind of the whole kit and caboodle at one time. I actually had somebody comment on here that that was his grandparents' house. And brought back fond memories. So we're going to spin around and take you down lower. Get a cool perspective of the diverging here. And we're going to go back. Just kind of follow the train back to the DPU. I was hoping to catch the DPU across the river, but you see him coming up here. I know this is my last open spot to kind of do a spin around and follow him coming up here. So right here I take the opportunity and I go over the swamp and follow this old Trash 9. Seen some better days. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and of course, like everybody says, like and subscribe.